Okay, and we're back. Hi. So, before we left off, it was literally about the We are not falling down that hole this time. We are also not getting hit by mortar guns. I don't care if they're not actually mortars.
We are not going to die today.
We're not gonna get hit. Oh yeah, that's right. You also got your jumpers loads.
We are also not going to walk into those spinny, rotating doom blades.
Yeah. Yeah, that would be bad.
Oh, there I am. There it is. There's the door. I found it.
You are an idiot.
Shut up.
Then again, this is the BakaBrigade, so of course we're idiots.
Exactly. That's half of the point.
By the way, for any of you out there who don't actually speak any Japanese or watch anime, Baka is Japanese for moron or idiot. Which describes us pretty perfectly most of the time. We also thought it was really humorous to call ourselves idiots. So hey, we're the idiots today. And this is illiterate business too.
Ow.
What? Hey, that doesn't actually hurt you.
You're right. It just knocks you back.
And go, ugh!
Looks like it should hurt.
Yeah. Oh,
Die.
No. Right. Yeah.
Smashes back.
This part gave us a
Ah!
for just that reason. We're not very good at the
Carefully walking.
tight rope. I know it's nothing like a tight rope.
Oh, I can't reach with my jumpy. Curses.
Boiled again. What the dude?
Shut up. I meant to do that.
Yeah, I meant to.
That was on a porpoise.
Have you traded for a narwhal?
No, I have not found someone who's willing to take the trade yet.
Aww.
They are all too smart. They know how narwhals are more awesome than your porpoise in life.
True. There really ought to be a business for trading in porpoises for narwhals.
They have a Jedi of the sea. Narwhal.
Ah! Camera angle. Why be you so sus?
Because potatoes.
You're not a potato. That's lettuce.
Yes, and she's a computer. And computers control the camera angle.
Oh my god, you just hit the nail on the head so perfectly.
Oh, blast it!
Look, plumber's crack.
What did you just say?
I said, look, the plumber's back.
All right, wise guy. Shouldn't you be on one of them escape transports?
Escape transports?
Newsflash, giant robots attacking! The escape transports are taking all the rich folks off this god-darn planet.
So why aren't you on one?
Socioeconomic disparity.
What?
He hasn't got enough bolts.
Working people have to wait for Captain Quark to save us.
Well, got anything worth a lot of bolts?
I got this thing. Shows two weirdos ditching their ship. It's got coordinates to a desert planet, too.
An infobot. Ratchet, we could use that.
This guy is one of our favorite characters in this series. He shows up in just about every single game.
Oh, look, the plumber's back.
Literally, the plumber is back is a running joke.
Don't worry, I'm sure I'll see you in another couple of years.
What?
Oh, never mind. Here.
Geronimo!
Did he just slide down a sewer pipe?
Yes, he did, Ratchet. Yes, he did.
And you will too.
It's fun.
Mayday, mayday! This is the solar ship Radical. We seem to be under attack from the planet's surface.
Relax, kid. It looks like some sort of fireworks display. Probably in your honor.
Whoa! That was close! Ah!
Pipe down, I can't concentrate.
Oh, we've been hit!
An unexpected detour. When we land, I'll see if I can scare up an exhibition for you.
We're not gonna live that long!
Kid, let's M-screen!
Eject! Eject!
Woo!
Well, at least one of them smart.
Yep.
Did you see that guy on the left? That was Skid McMarks.
Does he know Captain Quark?
I doubt it. He's a pro hoverboarder, always going off about how cool he is.
Looks like he's in trouble.
I'll say. I've never seen him look so freaked out.
Gadgetron Infobots give you coordinates for new planets. Now that you have the info box at Planet Iridium, you'll need to find a ship to get there. To enter look-around mode, press and hold the L1.
Shut up. We already told you guys about that, so never mind about that. It's ironic that the surfer hoverboarder dude is actually the intelligent one. So we're surfing! Geronimo!
Wait, can you live in the sewer?
That's disgusting! Whee!
It's like a water slide, except it's chocolate. But it's not really chocolate.
When we say cowabunga, more like cowadunga.
You may have noticed, but we reference things a lot. Oh, we're gonna see if we can get that. Nope. Oh, I couldn't hit my hand.
Hey, we'll be right. Hey, and we're back. Sorry about that. We had something really quick to take care of.
Well, he kind of did.
Or another.
Yeah, and now I have switched off to him.
Oh yeah, now I'm playing. Where am I going?
Free, apparently. Oh yeah, the flowy river. I like how the water actually flows.
To use the porosity, hold down the circle button.
And different attacks with the wrench do different amounts of damage.
True.
Well, okay, the other one had attack does double damage. That's it.
Yeah.
No, that's all the other games.
All the other games except this one.
Yep, pretty much.
Oh hey, I killed him without even seeing the bear. That's kind of awesome.
Nice. There's the ball right in front of you. Are you going to get it?
If you hold down the triangle button, you seem to have
Your weapon select.
quick select.
The other ones have upgrades to quick select.
However, if you double the triangle button, you can in fact rapidly switch between whichever tools you like to use. They explained it at one point, but it's likely to be Yeah.
But it is a fun game.
Oh yeah, this game is one of my favorite games. It's got an awesome storyline, it's got awesome voice acting and characters.
It's got good music.
Oh yeah. This is, in effect, the successor of the original Spyro game made by Nintendo.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, I've only got the disc, which I really hope plays, but I've watched the story on YouTube, and the story looks absolutely phenomenal.
Awesome.
I've played a little bit. It's even more of a platformer than this game is. They're essentially rivals. Bad Dog. No, not Bad Dog. Naughty Dog.
However, they do include little cameos of each other.
Oh yeah, they do. They're not been lazy.
Next.
Don't quote me on that, because I have absolutely no clue.
There's some things to kill. Go.
That guy did not hit me at all. What was he doing? Hitting the tree trunk? Probably.
Grrr, I hate trees. Grrr.
No, these guys are mildly tolerant of trees. They get to place them all
Well, that's because they were told to.
but they're all carrying an axe is a jackass. No. Stupid. Yes, Kato, we know I suck.
You gotta find that second or hand strike game so we can do it with everything.
Oh yeah, that was kind of good.
That's a good one. I like the heavy weapons guy.
Oh yeah. At least the other
We can have them be the robot Nazis!
Yeah! Robot Nazis! And we really don't have anything for Nazis except for Helsing, because Helsing is awesome.
And Helsing Bridge.
Yeah, Helsing the Bridge. And that's fucking funny Nazi in it.
Oh, Rob, hit him down the hole. Oh, this mom.
Oh, hey.
Yeah? Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Their volume's down. Splice these together?
Yeah, we're gonna splice these together. Alright. And no, I'm not gonna kill him.
I thought there was a guy right in front of the hole.
No, he was back in the hole. Ah!
You weren't supposed to fall into the hole, Cotting.
I know that.
I did you.
I didn't see the hole though. I felt like I insulted the wizard.
True. At least you didn't get turned into a pig.
Although I wouldn't really blame you if you turned.
That's good.
Then again, I would probably be turned into the one tank don't like. Or one of the many times of pigs like rather seeing as like
Maybe. But it's cake. I don't like fruit. I like coffee cake though.
Which is not in fact coffee flavored, that is simply a cake that you eat with coffee.
And you just delicious.
It's not the eat Jaffa cakes. We are not the humbugs.
What?
We are not the humbugs. Jaffa cakes is something that By the way, it's really awesome, so after that, you'll look at the pool. That is absolutely epic.
It's called a spaceship. You can die. Okay, thanks. Die.
Oh, hey.
Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Oh, what are you? Mercenaries? Torturers? Assassins? I'll tell you anything. Here, take my infobot. It's all I've got left.
Sir, we're not assassins.
Hold on. Let's see what he's got.
Yep.
Has this ever happened to you? Hi, I'm Captain Quark, and believe me, there's nothing worse than staring down a Blargian snagglebeast from the inside and knowing your equipment isn't functioning properly. That's why I come to Al's Robo Shack for all my electronic needs. Al has been the exclusive repair shop for my super electro gadgets since I was knee-high to a sand mouse. If Al can't fix it, it's not broke. Right, Al? You said it, pal! So if you're fighting crime, or just fighting grime, come to Al's Robo Shack in Metropolis for all your robotic repairs. Al's Robo Shack, it's Quark-tastic!
Do you know what this means?
Yeah, Captain Quark is really sold out.
No, it means Captain Quark is on Metropolis. We could tell him about this invasion.
If we had a ship.
What? A ship? What? You're not going to torture me? Well, as planetary chairman, I could arrange for you to borrow our courier ship.
Cool.
You can count on us, sir.
Right. Thank you, your chairman shipliness.
Now that you have coordinates
Just
to
don't
two new
expect to
planets,
get it back.
you can use your ship.
Yeah.
Press the select button to bring up the map. Your ship is marked with a
I'm
star.
thinking we should go to there first. That way we can get some upgrades.
Yeah, but we're gonna do that in the next video.
Okay, we still need to stay. I have trouble putting down the controller.
We'll do a pre-run.
I don't want to do a pre-run. Then it gets boring the second time. Bro.
We go through these places half the time again anyways.
Yeah, but I want to. We might get to cutscenes that they will not see because of autosaving. We'll do the coin toss of decisiveness.
Yeah, I suppose we'll do the coin toss of decisiveness. Do not get in that shit.
Okay.
Oh. We'll be right back.
I'm pausing it.
Okay, hey, we're back. Coin toss of decisiveness.
Heads we go, tails we don't. Best 2 out of 3. Heads.
1 for go.
Heads.
Hey, we're going again.
Awesome.
Okay. So, this has been it for this particular session. We're gonna update the next set of videos either next week or tomorrow to give you guys a chance to either comment or do whatever, and we can say, hey, comments we can answer to. So, this has been the BakaBrigade playing Ratchet and Clank.
And we are signing off.
Jamais.
TTFN.
Ta-ta for now.